In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to start from your Salesforce homepage, open the List Emails workspace, compose your message, and confidently preview and send it to a group of recipients, all within the Lightning experience. First, make sure you're on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning. This is your starting point and ensures you see the global navigation bar across the top. If you use multiple Salesforce apps, confirm you're in the one where your leads and contacts live. Also, be sure your profile has permission to send emails. If not, your administrator can help enable access to list emails. Next, look along the navigation bar and select List Emails. This area is designed for sending one message to many leads, contacts, or campaign members at once, while still allowing personalization. It's different from sending a single email from a record. List emails centralize your audience and content so you can manage the whole send in one place. When the List Emails page opens, choose New List Email. This launches the composer where you'll build your message. You'll see places to set your subject line, write your email body, and define your recipients. Keep in mind that the cleaner your audience is before you start, the smoother your send will be. If your organization uses templates, you can select one here to save time and ensure consistent branding. Now finalize your list email. Begin by choosing recipients. You can target leads, contacts, or campaign members based on the list views and criteria you rely on every day. Double-check the total recipient count and confirm that everyone has a valid email address and proper consent. Add your subject line and craft a clear, concise message. Personalize it with merge fields like first name to make each email feel tailored. If your team provides approved templates or footers, apply them to maintain compliance and brand standards. Avoid large attachments. Instead, consider using links so your message loads quickly and stays within size limits. When everything looks good, select Preview and Send. Use the preview to confirm personalization, formatting, links, and images. Verify the sender information and skim the recipient count one more time. If your org has daily send limits, make sure this message fits within those boundaries. Once you're satisfied, proceed with sending. You can monitor the status and engagement from the List Emails area later to learn what's working. That's it. You started from home, opened List Emails, created a new message, finalized your content and audience, and used Preview and Send to deliver it with confidence.